A visually appealing desk setup with a laptop, tablet, and various stationery. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of note-taking apps out there? I know I have. Today, we're diving deep into two popular contenders, Notion and Notability. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves a crucial question. What's more important to you, flexibility or simplicity? Notion, with its versatile database structure and endless customization options, is like a digital Swiss Army knife. It's a powerhouse for those who crave flexibility and want to build interconnected systems for their thoughts and tasks. On the other hand, Notability is designed with simplicity in mind. It's a clean, intuitive app that's perfect for students and professionals who prioritize handwriting and organization. Let's break down the key differences. Notion is like a blank canvas, allowing you to create databases, pages, and subpages to organize your notes, tasks, and projects. You can add tables, calendars, and even embed other apps like YouTube or Figma. It's a game changer for those who want to build complex knowledge bases or project management systems. Notability, on the other hand, focuses on traditional note-taking features. You can write, draw, and annotate PDFs, making it ideal for students and professionals who need to work with textbooks or research papers. Notability also offers features like audio recording and handwriting recognition, which can be helpful for capturing lectures or brainstorming ideas. So, which app is right for you? If you're looking for a flexible tool that can adapt to your unique workflow and help you build interconnected systems, Notion is the way to go. But if you prioritize simplicity, handwriting, and traditional note-taking features, Notability is a great option. I love Notion because it's so versatile. I use it for everything from project management to daily journaling. The ability to create custom databases and connect different pages has been a game changer for my productivity. Notability is perfect for taking notes in class. I love that I can write, draw, and record audio all in one place. The handwriting recognition is also really accurate. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Are you a visual learner who prefers to write and draw? Or do you need a more flexible tool that can adapt to your changing workflow? Here's a final comparison graphic to help you make your decision. So, which app will you choose? Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone looking to improve your productivity, Notion or Notability can be a valuable tool. Try them both and see which one works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,